Yeah, g'day guys. Quick one today. Something a little bit different. Gary from AMC Restorations asked me to come and have a bit of a look-see at a car that he's just imported. So let's go and check it out. Here we go.
Found a new use for the crane. Do some whacking.
Someone said it's a tiny deck.
Bit of a tight budget on this one.
Yeah, Gary, you gave me a call before. What's the go? You said you got a nice car you want us to have a bit of a squiz at.
Yeah, mate. Sorry, the dog just come back.
Oh, so we're coming to see Gary and Jigs.
Dog,
yeah. Jigs is our blue heeler.
Sit. Good boy.
He's beyond the median. So what do we got?
Yeah, mate, just imported this for a customer, 1968 Rambler Javelin, or AMC Javelin, sorry.
Ah, awesome.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a drag car over in the US, and he's trying to get it onto the street over here, which is going to be very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a little bit of power there from what I've been told.
Sounds really nice. We're going to play with it later, aren't we?
Well, I've been asked to do a couple of tests actually, so yeah, I think we'll definitely have to do a couple of tests per customer request.
Oh, good.
So yeah, you should get a little bit of footage out of that.
Okay, that'd be nice. So let's go check this car out, eh?
No worries.
Throw your ball. Where's the ball? Give us the ball. No? Okay, let's go look at this car. Oh, nice. Oh, that's really good. Where are we going with this one, Gary?
I think we might be taking a bit of a run out the willow bank eventually, to be honest with you, before the customer comes and gets it. I think that'd be part of my testing.
Oh, awesome. Let's just let's have a little look around this thing. Oh, can you get any bigger wheels?
Oh, there's bigger ones out the back. Yeah, I've got the slicks there for it.
Slicks, yeah. All drag cars come with slicks.
Of course.
Very nice.
A little bit of rubber under the back.
Yeah, nice little wheels.
All standard guards, of course, too.
Oh yeah. When you look down the side, oh yeah, it's hanging out a little bit. What a car. You only seem to get the best. Oh, it's even got drag racing numbers on it.
It does. A couple of the old drag racing stickers too from the 70s.
Oh, so this was a parked car. It had been like sitting in someone's shed or something.
This car, yeah, from the story that I've been told, has sit in a shed for around 9 to 10 years, maybe a little bit longer.
Okay.
But he used to competitively race it quite regularly on the street and on the strip.
Sort of like American graffiti.
Sort of. I believe it terrorised the state of Kentucky a fair bit.
Sounds like fun. We'll have to go there one day, Gary.
Yeah, definitely.
When are we going for that trip?
Soon as we can.
So it's virtually in factory other than all the drag racing stuff that's been jammed into it.
Pretty much, that's exactly it, yeah. So, still got all the seats and everything in there. Just a shifter been put into it.
Oh, nice.
At one stage it was a manual, but the manuals couldn't handle the motor.
I got too much horsepower.
Yeah.
So that transmission's been manualised, as far as you know?
Full manual shift.
Okay. Bit of launch.
Yeah, a little bit of fun there.
Oh, we still got a back seat.
Oh, yeah, of course.
No one's going to sit there, but...
You're going to be able to take passengers.
To where?
The other end.
I like what it says on the foot pedal. Safe command. Yeah, sure.
Safe if it's working.
Well, let's check under the bonnet. That's the important bit. I don't know where you get these cars from, mate. Yeah, so we've just had a bit of rain, guys. So, oh, that looks...
extra water. Helps keep the engine going.
Yeah, extra cooling. So, about how big's that carburetor?
That I actually don't know. I haven't run the numbers on what the carby is just yet, but I believe it's at least an 850, if not a bit bigger.
Okay, double pumper by the looks.
It's a mechanical secondaries.
Yeah. Oh, so it's not vac secondary, so
It's a mechanical secondaries.
the high-rise manifold. Very nice.
Mallory electronic ignition, pretty old school there, and then you might want to have a little bit of a look at what this little thing is.
Oh, tin for biscuits.
Tin for biscuits.
Ah, coil in there.
Yeah.
What's the go with that?
you drop a little bit of ice around your fuel line.
Ice. I like dry ice.
Like dry ice. Makes it nice cold fuel going into a nice hot engine.
Ooh,
Gives you
fast.
a little bit more power.
It's sort of like old school nitrous.
sort of like old school nitrous, I guess. Yes.
What a beast.
So it started life as a 401 AMC engine.
Mm.
I believe it's currently around 413 cubes.
Okay. So it's big.
And the guesstimate is somewhere around the 500 horsepower mark.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting information from people over there, but because the original owner unfortunately passed away, I don't have exact accurate information. So,
Well, your customer has done very well, and you've got it back here and tuned up by the sounds. We'll show a little bit of footage of that in a sec, but it's I think it's going to do some wicked tyre smoke.
well, yeah, we'll see how good these tyres are. They're pretty old, but
Yeah,
they're hanging in there.
they're old sort of look like canvas looking things. It's been sitting in a barn for 35 years. The future plan is the client. What's he planning on doing with it?
So basically, he's actually planning on putting it on the road. So currently, there's
Whoa.
no exhaust on it. It's straight out extractor, so it's a little bit loud.
A bit rowdy.
So I'll be putting an exhaust onto it to try and make it a little bit more streetable. He wants to take that scoop off the bonnet and lower that down a bit. So he's got another one, much lower one, and so that'll just require taking that air cleaner off and changing that a little bit.
Okay. So the air cleaner, like a Stocko one, will fit under the hood line. Just.
No, I don't. Well,
Not.
if you have a look in through the hole
Ah.
with the bonnet down, you can actually throw a little bit of light in there. I don't know, can you see there now?
Oh, we can see some shiny stuff.
See some shiny stuff, but I don't know if you can see how low the carburetor is below the bonnet. It's actually down there a bit, so there is room.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of room.
There actually is room, so I'll probably have to find a low slung air cleaner for him.
Oh, like a reverse sort of
Something
drop on it.
Yeah, something like that, but something that'll still get a bit of flow in past it, that's for sure, because this will require some flow.
Yes. Yes, I heard it rumbling the other day.
From inside your house, I believe.
Yeah. And we had the air conditioner on.
And you're not exactly right next door.
No, we're a little ways away, but yeah, we heard it. Like, I mean, the client's not in Queensland where we are.
No,
So,
in New South Wales, so I've got to play with the. I've got to look at the road rules and regulations down there for what it actually requires and needs, and see what I can get up to scratch for him. And
okay.
but yeah, this thing's it's also running the AMC Chrysler 727 transmission.
Oh, yeah. A big one.
It's got a Dana 60 in it, so that's a Plymouth Roadrunners, like, you know, the big heavy duty stuff used to run.
So everything's heavy duty.
Everything is definitely heavy duty. The guy that built it has really done a top job, an absolutely amazing job actually for what he's done, and very competitive, and it has never been pulled down, except for the manual transmissions, which didn't like it.
Yeah, I can imagine it. Yeah, just from the sound of it, it sounds like it's going to be ripping it apart. So Gary, we might you want to do a little bit of tuning to it, you were saying before, and so we might go and put it away and have a bit of fun.
We'll take it out the back into the driveway. Yeah.
No worries, guys. Well, thanks for watching today's video, and thanks for Gary for telling us about this great car that he's got imported for a client. And I'll put his link below for his Facebook page. Quite a large community now, so if you're into AMC motor vehicles, especially restorations, and Gary's the man. So guys, we'll catch you a bit later, and we'll leave you with a bit of burnout footage if we can get this thing tuned properly. So here we go. See you later, eh? Glad I got earplugs.